Hello everyone, this is Anisha Mehta. Hope all of you are doing well. I'll start with this interaction session by basically briefly introducing myself. I completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering in the year 2018 from JIT Jodhpur. After that, I worked with Infosys as a full stack web developer. So in today's interaction session, I'll basically, my prime motive will be to get all of you acquainted with what all opportunities are available in the market as of now and will be available in the near future. So in my perspective, there's a huge demand and also a stability which you rarely find or spot in the IT sector in a domain called full stack web development. So now the question that arises in all our minds is why? So the why part of this particular question, I'll answer this. So obviously this is legit question because there are several potential streams like big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence and so on. But this particular domain, that is full stack web development, is employed not only by the bigger MNCs but also by the smaller startups. I mean, in the COVID-19 crisis currently you see and you yourself can spot the importance of web applications, so or any application for that matter. So for explaining the why part further, I'll basically give you two reasons. So the first reason is that the company has to recruit lesser number of people and it gets more work done, right? So lesser number of people as in a single person will now be responsible for handling all of the three segments, that is the UI part or the front end part, the back end part as well as the database. And as a result, company's growth is ensured. The second reason is that it will result in an employee's elaborative skill set. I mean, this also is resulting into personal growth. So rarely you spot domains which results in organization's growth as well as personal growth. So now the next question after this why part arises is how. So in my opinion, this particular course or module, this particular course or domain can be categorized in three different modules. The first one is the backend part, the second one is the front end part, the third one is the database part. So you need not be master of all, but be a jack of all trades type of person and get yourself equipped with the basics of all the three structures and understand the logics behind these. Because the thing is that not every time you'll get the same requirements from the clients or from anything. Like if you are doing freelancing also, then from the clients you will not get the same requirements, and if you are working in a company also, you will not get the same tasks. And okay, so taking your question further, that is how. So there are basically two stacks that are out of the whole full stack development. There are two important stacks that are being used or in demand in the market right now. Those are Main and MERN. The basic differences between Angular and React. I mean, get yourself equipped with these terms by just searching through for these through the net. And in case of any queries, you feel free to reach out to me. I mean, there's no problem. So also through this video, I would like to thank the college for giving me this opportunity, and I have been watching all the activities that the college, that is JIT, is doing. I mean, kudos to the efforts made by the teachers and also the staff members of the college.